Greetings, we are the Sun Chasers. Every second dust is draining your solar power. Ready to stop the clock?
The greatest villain is the one who got away. In this case, it's the dust. Is your solar investment giving you everything it promised? Most solar panels lose up to 30% efficiency simply because they get dirty. Dust, debris, and bird droppings can drain your energy output.
The worst part? Manual cleaning is expensive, tedious, and sometimes impossible. But what if you never had to worry about cleaning again?
If the greatest villain is the one who got away, what does that make this? Ever noticed how a little dust can dim the power of your solar panels? We've solved that problem for good. Our solution combines advanced nanoceramic coatings with a wiper system that cleans your panels without any manual effort. When dirt builds up or rain is detected, the wiper springs into action, ensuring your panels are always operating at full capacity. With this system, you get consistently clean panels, maximized energy output, and a maintenance process so seamless you'll forget that it's even there.
Here's the best
One,
part. Our system is automated and powered by the panels themselves. No manual labor, water waste, and you never have to pay for those arm and a leg costly cleanings again.
why sell for less when your solar panels could be working at peak performance all the time? Upgrade to a self-cleaning system today and watch your energy savings soar. With systems so seamless, you'll forget it's even there.
Don't wait. Be a part of the revolution, making solar panels smarter, cleaner, and more efficient as you constantly strive to achieve a more sustainable tomorrow.
Visit the kit company, go to vendors, and search 2F30884 to invest.
Thank you.